Hello WBP stars, my name is Gilles Melchior. I'm the chef and owner of restaurant Melchior in Tienen, a small village in Flanders. I'm gonna prepare a dish with some fresh scallops. We're gonna add some homemade ponzu. It's a Japanese vinegar with all kinds of citrus, with bonito flakes and with some alps. We're gonna add some radish, some horseradish, some black radish, some sea vegetables and some pickled mushrooms. So we're gonna start with the fresh scallops and slice them like this. Here we have some black radish. Take some olive oil. Some sea salt. Pepper. Zest of lime. Some juice of lime. We're gonna plate it in the shield. First we're gonna take some Alex. Just to decorate. Some cream of avocado. Make some radish. Sushi vinegar. Sea salt and pepper. Some horseradish. Then slice in some ice water. Small gnocchis. Then we make a salad of the horseradish. Some sliced nori. little bit of the homemade ponzu. Sea vegetables. And we make a salad with the horseradish and the nori. Flowers. Here we have the homemade ponzu vinegar. It's a vinegar that we make with fresh, all kinds of citrus fruits, with some bonito and some dried kombu. We age it for 6 months, and then it's finished to use. Then we finish it with some liquid nitrogen. It's some small pearls from all kind of citrus. And to finish it up with a crispy cracker of furikake.